Hello, I'm here to talk about why handwriting is a good example of motor equivalence and the influence of vision. Let's start by saying that everyone has different types of grabbing the pen or the pencil, which might affect your writing style or how neatly or nicely you write. Let's also start saying that the surface area is really important. As you can see, this person just has a normal piece of paper on a desk, which makes the writing come out either really ugly or really nice, but that also depends on the person. There's some people that put many piece of papers under the paper that they're gonna write, so they have support. Also, it depends what type of pen or pencil you're using, because if you're using a lead pencil, as you might see, the pointing part where you write is really sharp. If it's a normal pencil or a crayon or a pen, it might be different. Uh, let's start by saying that when we go to elementary school and they start teaching us how to write, they usually teach us to write kind of this way, but that also depends on the person, because I have met some people that just write cursive letter. And there I met other people that make their writing this type of style. Let's also say that if you're writing on a normal white piece of paper, the way you write might be influenced on the vision, because you might either be trying to visual a line piece of paper, but even though you are trying to visual that, it might not come out really nicely and neatly. Same thing if you're doing is writing on a square piece of paper. You might be trying to visual and not see the other lines that are going up and down, just the ones that are going horizontally. But it might not be the same, so it does influence. Also depends if you're just it also depends how fast and how slow you're going. Typically we kind of go fast if someone is talking to us and we have to write it down. Like for example, when we take notes in this class, we could pause the video or see the caption letters, which makes us that we could probably go slow and see what we need to write. But if we were just copying whatever's in the slide, probably our writing will be better. Also, I do think it depends how you're feeling too. Because me personally, when I write and I'm stressed or whatever, my writing is horrible. But if I calm, relax, my writing's kind of neatly, and you could probably understand it. And that's